In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a click-to-call or mail-to link in HubSpot. This is really useful if you want your contacts to be able to call you or email you with just one click, directly from a page or an email. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, decide where you want to add your click-to-call or mail-to link. You can add these links to a landing page, a website page, or inside the email editor. In this walkthrough, I'll focus on adding the link to an email, since that's one of the most common uses. On the main dashboard, look at the left-hand toolbar and find the marketing section. Hover over it, and from the options that appear, select email. This will take you to your email tool inside HubSpot. Here, either open an existing draft email that you want to edit, or create a brand new email. Once you're in the email editor, decide which text or image you want to turn into a clickable link. In this example, we'll use text because it's the simplest to demonstrate. Click into the email body and highlight the text you want to make clickable, such as "call us now" or "email our team." As soon as you highlight the text, a small text toolbar will appear above it. On that toolbar, click the link icon. This will open a small pop-up window next to your highlighted text. In the pop-up, you'll see a setting for the type of link. Make sure it is set to URL. In the URL field, you can now define what kind of link you want. For a click-to-call link, type tel, followed by a colon, and then the phone number with no spaces. For example, TL192345789. This tells browsers and mobile devices that clicking this link should start a phone call. For a mail-to link, you have two options. You can stay on URL and type mail-to, followed by a colon, and then the email address, like this, mail2example@domain.com. Or you can change the link type to email address in the pop-up, then simply enter the email address into the field provided. HubSpot will automatically format it as a mail-to link for you. When you're happy with your settings, don't forget the most important part. Click Insert on the pop-up. This will save the link on your selected text or image. From there, you can preview or test your email to make sure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've created a click-to-call or mail-to link in HubSpot.